Hey, it's Nick with Bearded Adventures again. Here to do another winter kind of hiking. It's going to a couple local parks to see some pretty views of nature in winter. I started in Lowell at the River Park. This is on the south side of Grand River, the Grand River, by this really cool bridge. I'm not extremely happy with the footage I got, but we're always learning, right? I know some things to do better. I almost didn't continue editing, but it's now rained and there's no snow, so this is what I got. But it's pretty cool. These have these little posters that talk about the history of the Grand River in Lowell. I plan at some point to do a video just on them. I don't want to wait till it's warmer and nicer out. I didn't even know this bridge existed, and I live 5 miles from it. I guess it's really busy in the summer because it's also a sports park. As you can see, it's been cold, pretty cold a couple days, and the Grand River is actually frozen. I don't know if I've seen that at all, really. And the Grand River's been completely frozen over. The next time I go out, I would like to bring a couple cameras and get some different angles. But again, I'm learning. It's nice this bridge leads over to the other side of the river, which is on the back side of the pickleball courts, if you know where those are in Lowell. And there's a nice little wooded hike that I'll be going on here shortly. I thought the architecture of this bridge was pretty cool, so I took a couple pictures. Here's that nice little wooded space. It's not very long, but it's peaceful. I mean, you can hear traffic, but today it was cold. There was no one out really. I did stumble upon what appeared to be a den. There's a bald eagle I saw up in the tree as well, so it wasn't a total loss. After I left there, I went to the Ada Park, where there's a pretty cool old bridge. I don't know why there's so many old bridges in this area, but they're all pretty neat. I did want to go to Egypt Valley and the Kent County gaming area, but there was a ton of hunting trucks there. I didn't think it would be a good idea to try to hike while people are out small game hunting. So I found this small trail just outside between Lowell and Belding. I grew up in Belding and I didn't know this existed. It's actually a really peaceful, small trail. I think there's about 5 miles of hiking here. It has this big bog, which it's just peaceful. There's all kinds of coyote and rabbit tracks, deer. It was pretty peaceful. It did spot a red-tailed hawk, which is pretty cool. I really did this video to show that even though it's cold and snowy out, there's still things to do around the area. Although now it's snowed and melted and icy, so it's pretty dangerous to be out. But when at least we have fresh snow, you can go out, walk through the woods, see some eagles. But at least it gets you out of the house. That's it for this video. There will definitely be more. So please like, subscribe, and share. Hope to see you on the trail.